Hi there, students. Faculty. Accountable noun, faculties. Okay, your faculties, particularly in the plural, are your ability, your natural abilities to hear, to think, to move, to see. So if you drink too much, you lose control of your faculties. At age 94, my grandfather still had control of all his faculties. Yeah, he is still in possession of his faculties. He can still do everything properly. Or a faculty, a special ability to do something. He has a faculty for giving rousing speeches. Yeah, he has a faculty of finding the right answer. He has a faculty for languages, a special ability to do it. Then also a faculty in a university, in a college. It's either a group of departments. So the faculty of psychology, the faculty of law, all the different departments that do psychology. Yeah, the faculty of science. And then also all of the people who teach in a department or in a college, the faculty, the professors, the teachers, the people teaching in a university. So the faculty went on strike and demanded a pay rise. The students barricaded themselves into the economics faculty. Okay, so faculty, your physical and mental abilities. They say that blind people have an increased faculty of hearing. Yeah. Okay, your faculties. You need to be in control of your faculties, your general abilities. Or you could have a special faculty for something. Yeah, a special talent for it. So he has a faculty for playing musical instruments. Yeah, he has a special talent for it. Okay, I think if you're watching this video, you clearly have a faculty for English, a special ability. Yes, because clearly you're at quite a high level. Okay, so faculty, the power, the ability, the capacity, the faculty of speech, the faculty of reason. Yeah, and then faculty, a talent, a gift, a skill. Yeah, I have a faculty for saying the wrong thing at the wrong time. Okay, so yeah, and then the faculty, a department of a university, and then the faculty, the teaching staff, the professors, the lecturers at a university. I think this word faculty for the lecturers or the teaching staff is particularly used in the US. Okay, so a faculty, an aptitude, yeah, a skill, an ability, a capacity. So he's not in possession of his faculties. He's going a bit mad. Yeah, he has a special faculty when it comes to football. Yeah, it's his ability, a special skill. And then the faculty of the university, the teachers, and then the faculty of medicine, for example. So, faculty, how formal is this? Well, I think as in a skill or an ability, I'd probably give it 6 in formality. You can use it in an informal conversation, use it anywhere. The faculty of engineering, the faculty of the university. I think probably in British English I would give that a 6.5 or 7 in formality. Although I think in American English I would give it a 6 and use it anywhere in American English. I think in British English I would use it more for something semi-formal that's written or something formal. Okay, and then as to origin, well, it comes from Old French faculté, which comes from the Latin word facultas, a capability, an ability, a skill, an abundance. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Faculty.